Hello, Alexander.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing? Are you reading?
Yeah, ceratopsians.
About ceratopsians?
Yeah.
What are ceratopsians?
They're dinosaurs, as you know that.
Yeah.
And,
What's your favourite ceratopsian?
Triceratops, which is the biggest.
Triceratops?
Yeah.
What does that name mean in Latin?
Three-horned face.
Tri for three, cera for horned, tops for face. Well done.
Yeah.
Are there any other ceratopsians you like?
Yeah, there's, Diabloceratops, which means devil horned face, which...
Wow.
That makes sense because it's two up horns, but like goat horns of a devil, kind of.
Oh, like a stereotypical image of the devil. I see. Yeah, Diablo. I think
wasn't
that's...
the body of it. It looked a bit like an elephant, kind of.
Diablo, I think, is Spanish for the devil. So
Yeah.
Diablo ceratops.
Yeah.
Wow. Have you got any other favourite dinosaurs or dinosaur families?
Well, the dromaeosaurs is another favourite family I like.
Oh yeah. Any
It
interesting facts?
It has the famous velociraptor in it.
Velociraptor?
Yeah.
Wow, everyone knows that. Can you tell everyone what the name velociraptor means in Latin?
Speedy thief.
Veloci, like
Yeah.
velocity, speedy, and raptor, thief. Raptor's where we get the word robber from. Did you know that?
I didn't actually know that.
And what other dinosaur facts have you got?
Well, other dinosaur facts are about the dromaeosaurs, which I just explained.
Dromaeosaurs.
Austroraptor was the biggest, which was unusually large, which was about like 9 feet tall or something.
Wow, that's bigger than me.
Yeah. Your size is about 6 meters.
6 foot.
Yeah.
No, I'm not 6 meters, 6 foot. Have you got any crazy dinosaur facts to sign off with?
Yeah. Pachyrhinosaurus.
Pachyrhinosaurus? Hang on a sec. What does Pachyrhinosaurus mean in Latin?
Thick-nosed lizard.
Thick-nosed lizard. Good lad. And what about the Pachyrhinosaurus?
Well, the Pachyrhinosaurus was part of the ceratopsians family. I know it, but it's not actually in this book, unfortunately, so I can't show you a picture.
That's okay. Well, rhinoceros means nose horn, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Rhino. If people get an operation on their nose, it's called rhinoplasty. So rhino is nose, and cera is horn, like ceratops, rhinoceros.
Yeah.
Right, give us one last fact and say, see you soon, dinosaur lovers.
Well, Pachyrhinosaurus was the last of the bird-hipped dinosaurs, if you ever knew that.
Wow, the last of the bird-hipped dinosaurs.
Yeah, there's bird-hipped and lizard hips.
And the bird-hipped dinosaurs are where we get birds from, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, alright then, Professor Alexander, Professor of Paleontology.
Nice to see you, viewies.
And we'll speak to you soon. See you soon, love to you all.
Love to all.